What it do, YouTube? 89 Box Boy giving y'all this update. I know it's been a minute. The weather's starting to change in here in the shy, so we can get out here and work. What I'm doing today, changing the front bumper fill out. So I already got the front clip off. So that's what you got to do to change the bumper filler. You got to drop the whole front clip. I personally ain't never seen nobody put one on without dropping it. I mean, maybe some people have, but I'm just telling you the right way. So, and also, you got to take your grill out. You got to take your whole front grill out. You got to take your whole headlight out because you got to remove this bezel, your front headlight bezel, because the bumper filler actually goes underneath the bezel. So you got to remove the whole thing on both sides. So, and I got this part off eBay. It was like $53, free shipping. So, I mean, made in Taiwan or whatever it say it is, but I guess that's where everybody else be getting them from online. So, you know, it's pretty steady piece. Better than this shit from the factory, this rubberish shit there. So, bumper fell on, y'all. All the way around on that side. It ain't a hard job. Take a little time, a little maneuvering to get it all the way in and good. Yeah, you already know, man, when it comes to the box and riding, you got to have the bumper filler, man. You got to have the bumper filler. And she running good over there, too. She's still running strong. Original everything, still running strong. All right, YouTube.